my beautiful family. Hello, my sweethearts. I'm super excited. Today is the day we are going to check out office spaces. Yes! Finally opening up a brokerage, and it's so funny that everything comes full circle. It is with a friend of mine who I've known for over 20 years. We both started in real estate together. We have literally been through the tribe, through thick and thin, through the BS, through the properties, through lawsuits, through everything together. So it's only fitting that, boom, I come back and do this with her. I'm so excited for you guys to meet Naj. Let's do it. Okay, people, there it is. There it is. And let me tell you, it doesn't look like much now, but believe me, we can make this into something. All right, did you look at all the rooms?
Yeah, I did.
So this is utility. Girl, I heard your bathroom.
Oh God, yes. Oh my God.
You already know. Do you see this back room, boo? We gotta do some renovation though. Woo! But I see it. People, I see the vision. I'm so freaking excited. I see it. We can fix this place up really nice. Conference room. I like it, babe. Refrigerator, kitchen area. Y'all just think about that. Refrigerator, kitchen area, conference room area, our office, private office, in the front room.
I wish you office. We gotta talk to now.
So, I have mixed thoughts because I love the actual space. We can do so much with the space, right? Like, we could renovate that whole back area to be like a little kitchenette for coffee and making your little snacks, and the conference room area, the office area. I could visualize exactly what we would do in that space, and I absolutely was thrilled and excited. But big issue: parking. We are in downtown Newark, and there's always an issue with parking. And when you're finding an office, location is very important to your clients, because you want to make it very easy for someone to come to your office and visit you and get whatever business they need done and get going. You don't want the client to incur costs when coming to your office. You don't want them to get tickets and to be like, oh man, I came to your office and I got like 2 tickets and my car got towed. Like, that's a nightmare that I'm not looking to have on any occasion. So parking is definitely an issue, and I'm a little disappointed. So what we're gonna do is this: there's always workarounds to everything. So we're gonna make a little list of our concerns to the realtor, and we will speak to her about what we can and can't do. And one of the items on the list is, okay, do you or does the landlord have any sort of lot in the area that maybe we can get a permit for? Maybe we can have a certain amount of parking spaces for our clients. Those are always creative workarounds that you might not necessarily think about, that could solve the problem. I mean, the reality is if we had 4 to 5 parking spaces, you know, how many clients are going to actually be in the office at once? And with COVID, we wouldn't dare have a group of people in the office at one time. I'd prefer to see them individually and schedule them accordingly. So, you know, we're not looking to have a stampede of people, but we need some sort of parking to make it comfortable and easy for the people who are coming to come. So we have a short list we're going to put together, ask some of our concerns. We'll see if they can be alleviated. If not, I'll be honest with you guys, I'm still going to start looking for more locations. So stay tuned to check out these 2 boss chicks get it in. We are getting ready to open. I'm super excited, and we're gonna open a new channel too, so that you guys can just exclusively follow Naj and I's journey to opening the brokerage. I am like dumb excited. So for now, tune in, subscribe to the channel, click, 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 and you are watching the Corinne Chronicles with your girl, Corinne. Love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon.
I was a problem, they didn't care till I made it where I'm at. Said I would fail, there was no chance till I made it where I'm at.